In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a vendor credit to an unpaid bill in QuickBooks Online. Let's walk through this together step by step so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it. This will help keep your vendor balances accurate and make your books easier to reconcile later. First, from your QuickBooks Online dashboard, head over to the Expenses area. Once you're on the Expenses page, look for the section that shows your bills, and make sure you're on the Unpaid tab. This tab filters your list to only show bills that still have an open balance. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the Unpaid tab helps you avoid accidentally working on a bill that's already been paid or partially applied. Next, scan the list to find the specific bill you want to apply the vendor credit to. You can use the search bar or filter options if you have a lot of transactions. Once you've found the bill, go over to the Action column on that same line. Click the small drop-down icon there and choose View or Edit Bill. This opens the full bill details, so you can confirm you've got the right one by checking the vendor, date, amount, and any memo or line details. Now that you're sure this is the correct bill, look to the top right of the bill window and click Mark as Paid. You're not actually paying the bill with cash at this moment, you're just moving into the bill payment screen, where QuickBooks lets you decide how this bill is being settled, including using available credits. In the bill payment screen, take a look at the lower section where you'll see an area labeled Credits. This is where all open vendor credits for that supplier will appear. Find the specific credit you want to apply and check the box next to it. When you do this, QuickBooks automatically applies that credit amount against the bill total. You should see the amount due adjust based on the credit you've selected. Always double-check that the remaining amount due, if any, matches what you expect before you move on. Once everything looks correct and the credit has been applied the way you want, go to the bottom of the window and click Save and Close. This records the application of the vendor credit to that unpaid bill and returns you to your expenses list. Your bill will now show an updated balance, or it may be fully paid if the credit covered the entire amount. And that's all you need to do to apply a vendor credit to an unpaid bill in QuickBooks Online.